town of Sunflower Bay, there lived a delightful little girl named Sherry. At just 4 years old, Sherry had a heart as big as the sky and a smile that could light up even the gloomiest of days. Her twinkling eyes were always full of curiosity, and wherever she went, joy followed. One sunny morning, Sherry awoke to find the sunbeams dancing on her pastel yellow bedroom walls. "Good morning, Mr. Sun," she giggled, stretching her arms wide as if to embrace the whole world. Remembering that Mama and she were going to bake cookies today, Sherry quickly slipped into her favorite polka dress. With a little hop and a skip, Sherry made her way to the kitchen where Mama was already preparing the ingredients. "Mama, can I help too?" Sherry asked, her eyes wide with enthusiasm. Mama nodded warmly, handing over the flour scoop. They mixed and stirred, a little flour cloud creating a mini snowstorm around them. The aroma of freshly baked cookies soon filled the house, a sign of love and laughter brewing. Later, Sherry and her mama headed to the nearby park to deliver a batch of cookies to their neighbors. On the way, Sherry noticed a tiny bird hopping on the path. "Look, Mama, it's Mr. Tweet. He's looking for some crumbs," Sherry chirped happily. Gently placing a cookie crumb near the bird, her small act of kindness was just another reflection of her big heart. As the lavender hues of the evening sky began to settle in, Sherry snuggled in her cozy pajama set, ready to dive into Baba's magical world of stories. Baba sat beside her, book in hand, and began the tale of the Moonlit Unicorn's adventure. Sherry listened intently, her imagination weaving dreams of mystical lands and friendly unicorns. As Baba finished reading, he tucked Sherry into bed. "I love you. To the moon and back, my darling," he whispered. Sherry looked up at him, her eyes sparkling like stars. "I love you even more, Baba," she said, wrapping her tiny arms around him. And so, in their cozy abode at Sunflower Bay, happiness and love truly thrived, thanks to Sherry, the little sunshine girl who brightened everyone's hearts every day.
The end. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.